Hey y'all, I'm Nate with Nate's Interactive Auto, and are you ready for today's test? Yeah, that's right, Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer versus Engine Knock. Are you ready for the ultimate battle?
Okay guys, this is what it sounds like before adding Lucas to the engine. Tell me if you can hear that bad knock. Now, can Lucas actually do anything to help this out? Well, I don't know, but we're about to find out. If you'll look on the instructions, use 20% of the system capacity. So use 20% of the system capacity. If it takes 5 quarts of oil, replace one of the quarts with 1 full quart of Lucas, which is 1 full bottle. It prolongs engine life. In badly worn engines, use up to 60% of capacity. Well, we're not going to use 60%. We're only going to use the 20%, and we can tell this one definitely qualifies for 60%.
Let's go ahead and add our Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer.
This is what it sounds like after adding the Lucas. Go for a little bit close up.
Well guys, let me know what you think. Did Lucas hold up to the challenge? Did it win against this engine knock? So drop a line in the comments below. Let us know what you thought, or if you've ever tried Lucas out. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Nate's Interactive Auto.